In this video, I will show you how to pay with Paysafe on SHEIN. So to do this, simply go and open up the SHEIN app or website, and from there just add to your cart whatever you want to buy using Paysafe. Now from there, just open up your cart and click View Cart, and then from there you want to click on Checkout Now. Now here you want to go and add your shipping address where it needs to be delivered, then just scroll further down, and then you will find Payment Method. Now if you have a Paysafe card, there's basically two options. The easiest one is to just add your Paysafe card to your Google or Apple Pay, which you can really easily do on your phone. If you're wondering how, you can see it here. So open the Paysafe card app, navigate to your card details, and then select Add to Apple Wallet. Now after doing that, you can then just use Google Pay, or Apple Pay will also be here if you are on an iPhone, to then go ahead and pay using your Paysafe card. So what you want to do is just add your Paysafe card to Google Pay or Apple Pay, depending on what type of a phone you have, and from there just select that as your payment method, and then click continue after entering all of your details here, and then from there you can then choose to pay using your Paysafe card inside of Google or Apple Pay. So that's how to pay with Paysafe on SHEIN. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.